So how I track the stats in my business currently, previous to ServiceMonster, was very basic and limited, and I was starting to become aware that certain areas that I was stuck, it was based on me not tracking data. So I found Joe's ServiceMonster show. The things he said made a lot of sense, and then I actually hit him up on Facebook Messenger, and he's like, what's up? And I really like how Joe dove right into my issue and was able to point it, and I felt like he really cared, and it became an obvious choice for me. I looked at a couple of other service providers, and to be honest, I didn't purchase any of their programs, but when I had spoken to Joe's team specifically on the phone, and I heard how professional they were and how almost excited they were about their job, I felt like a really good culture. I was like, wow, these guys are awesome and dependable. It became the obvious choice. So we're actually not fully utilizing ServiceMonster. We're in the transition phase right now because we're coming out of the really high season, but now we're starting to come into the lull a bit. Now we're diving in. My secretary's getting coaching from them, and now we're actually going to be fully integrating it into our system, and hopefully by this time next year, well, there shouldn't be any reason why we shouldn't be 100% on ServiceMonster.